Coach Joseph Pacheco, no? Playing with 3 guards. Si Kagiwa, si Hildebrand at saka si Tubig, along with their very quick big man si Hatfield.
Ano tawag? Teka, sandali lang.
Ano to?
Merong sinasabi si referee Perez.
Kaya itong foul.
Technical foul on San Miguel assistant coach Peter Orange.
Si Pino Orange natawagan.
Sabi ka na si Pido Orange tinawagan ng technical foul. Napangiti lang.
Yan.
Si Coach Pido.
Kaibigan natin. UST coach. Championship coach. Incidentally, UST playing San Beda in the second match. Sa linggo yan.
And Mark Kagiwa makes the technical free throw and makes it 44-33. Lamang pa rin ang San Miguel ng 11. 44-33. 2 minutes to go here in the second quarter. Ontiveros. Naipit. Pero merong foul. Referee Kalungkagin calling that one.
Well, can afford pang Ginebra. Malayo pa sila sa penalty situation with 1:50 to go.
Mark Kagiwa ang tinawagan ng kanyang unang personal foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa San Miguel. Dorian Peña. Romel Adukol. Mahina yung pasa. Nakuha ni Rudy Hatfield. Here comes Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa to Hildebrand. Hildebrand against Racela. Uy, nakita si Tubig. And the rebound by Romel Adukol. A minute and 27 to go in the second quarter. 11-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. At habang pumupwesto si Dorian Peña, minamasahe naman siya ni Billy Mamaril. Sabi ni referee Ferreira.
Grabe yung physicality, no? At the post. Si Mamaril at saka si Dorian Peña. Alam mo, kanina nakakita natin, no? Napakaganda sana yung play ng Barangay Ginebra. They ran a pick and roll. But instead of the man rolling, getting the ball, they went outside for the open three-pointer. Hindi lang pumasok ni Tubig. Nice intention, pero hindi lang ang pumasok nila.
Ito si Olsen Racela, pull-up jumper. Malakas. Ay, rebound, Wesley Gonzalez. Dinukot ni Wesley Gonzalez.
Ito yung mga unsung heroes, partner. Unexpectedly, Peña, Adukol, and you have Gonzalez.
Well, Gonzalez is also doing a good job playing defense as Kagiwa. And he's getting his playing minutes kasi si Danny Singo nakupo. At sabi ni Coach Joseph Pacheco, ba't ito ipapasok mo rin si Danny Singo? Third personal foul. So, ganda naman nilalaro ni Wesley.
That is the second foul on Wesley Gonzalez.
May injury pa si Seagal, no? So, makakapahinga yung injury niya if for a possible 7th game.
Alright, mga kaibigan, narito naman ang ating Pony Face-Off. Papapanood po natin. Makikita nyo si Don Ontiveros. Iniwanan. At umaabol pa si Eric Big. Kaya po ang ating Pony Face-Off. Catch more exciting Face-Offs brought to you by Pony.
Let's get on!
50.7 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Ang ating score 46-34. Isang dosenang puntos ang inahabol ng Barangay Ginebra. And Billy Mamaril at the line. Don Ontiveros. Olsen Racela runs out of space at the sideline.
Break ito for Barangay Ginebra. Incidentally, with the time down to less than a minute, Coach Joseph Pacheco puts in his favorite last-second shot maker, si Sunday Salvacion.
He can shoot with 10 per second.
Talagang na pwede bumitaw yan ng mga alanganin. Parang tumit, sasaksak. Walang mapuntahan. Linabas kay J.J. Hildebrand, long three. And the rebound. Sa banggaan, yung mga malalaking tao doon sa ilalim, naipit si Sunday Salvacion. At
natawagan.
Napakasakit, kuya.
Substitution, Lordy Tugade for Wesley Gonzalez.
Tugade will come in for Wesley Gonzalez on the side of San Miguel. Tatawag ng 30-second timeout ang San Miguel Beer with 33.7 seconds remaining here in the second quarter.
Put ng Ginebra in any case sa setting ito.
Well, only half a minute to go in the second quarter at nasa San Miguel pa ang bola. Don Ontiveros. Nagtaka na bola against J.J. Helterbrand. Got a pick from Dorian Peña. Nilabas bigla kay Lodi Tugade. And the 3-second violation is going to be called. Panira na.
3-second violation.
Meron nagalangan. So with 17.2 seconds remaining in the second quarter, pwede pang makascore dito ang Barangay Ginebra para bawasan ang 12 puntos sa kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. Maayong gabi ninyo diha sa Kabisayan ug sa Mindanao. Namin na diha sa Kabalian sa Southern Leyte. Domingo diha si Mayor Boy Mortera ug tanan natong mga higala sa Tibok Southern Leyte. Pugos nga Region 8 gihap. Pidahan Leyte, Samar, Ganbiliran, maupay gabi ay yung atanan. Hoy, meron tayong 30-second timeout at ito medyo medlal tayo na. Pero ang staff and complement ng ABC pa, binahatid po sa inyo. Maatikabong aksyon mula rito sa Araneta Coliseum. J.J. Helterbrand. Nothing there. Dorian Peña grabs the rebound. Tumlag na ang buzzer para tapusin ang first half ng labanang San Miguel Beer and Barangay Ginebra. Tuloy-tuloy ang laro, walang ayawan. Yan ang sigaw ng Revicon 40 dito sa Philippine Cup Finals ng Barangay Ginebra versus San Miguel Beer. Ang ating score at the end of the second quarter, 46-34.
Second half.
Ay, salamat.
Pakinain naman niya yung spaghetti galing sa isang very popular hamburger chain. Yan naman ang kanyang diet just before starting a game.
Pero kanina, meron kong iniinom na fruit juice. Ikaw lang meron na. Wala kami ni Coach Tommy.
Dapat pumunta kayo nun.
Ayan na naman, si Dorian Peña. Umiscore na naman sa ilalim. And that gives San Miguel Beer a 14-point lead as we start the second half. Rudy Hatfield, dinabot kay Mark Tagiwa. Tagiwa, balik-ulit kay Hatfield. Nakakita naman sa baseline si Billy Mamaril. Nice play by Barangay Ginebra.
Yan ang kailangan ng Ginebra. They need to move the ball around to keep the defense guessing. Sino man titira. Alam ng San Miguel, yung mga tirador ng Barangay Ginebra will always be contained. Hatfield, Tagiwa, kanya they went to someone na hindi in-expected San Miguel to score, si Billy Mamaril.
Good fake by Don Tiveros, and he picks up a foul. Gotta get Mark Tagiwa. That will be his second personal.
Danny Sigel nasa bench, ha? Normally,
Ano pa rin,
he only played, I think, 7 minutes sa first quarter, no?
Hindi naglaro nga no second quarter kasi
wala na.
naman ang laro ni Wesley.
Oo, pati si Lordy Tugade nandun sa loob. So, nagpapalit-palitan doon. Si Wesley at saka si Lordy. No need for Danny Sigel. Umabot ng 14 puntos yata. 16 ang lamang ng San Miguel Beer back in the second quarter.
By the way, si L.A. Tenorio nasa loob ng court. Nabagitan natin yon. He is a proven winner. 1 championship sa NCAA Juniors, 1 championship sa UAP with Ateneo, and 3 championships sa PBL. And in his first conference sa PBA, Tenorio is playing in the finals.
Matindi, no? May halong lucky charm siguro yan. Ito si Sunday Salvacion. Baseline drive, yes! You normally expect Sunday Salvacion to take the outside shot, pero kaya niyang sumaksak din. He's got 10 points in the game now. Taga Surigao yan. Marajao na doon sa Indio. Yan sa Surigao. Eric Tenorio. Sumaksak. Kinanan. Wala. Dorian Peña with the offensive rebound. Nabitawan ng bola. It goes out of bounds in favor of Barangay Ginebra.
But you can see, nandun na naman si Dorian Peña sa ilalim,
Yes,
no?
oo. Actually, he got a good rebound there. Pero nabitawan lang yung bola.
Well, see, Peña excels in a slow-down type of game because that's when he can use his width of body, no? And you don't need to play a fast clip. Ganun nga ang tema ng laro.
Ito, inatake ni Billy Mamaril si Dorian Peña. And Mamaril scores his 5th point and cuts the lead of San Miguel down to 10. Medyo lumalakas na yung volume level ng mga Barangay Ginebra fans dito.
And Mamaril is doing what he needs to do to attack the defense ni Dorian Peña. He's putting the ball on the floor around Peña.
Don Tiveros, gikang pagyod sa mambaling diha Sugbo. Hoy, ato mga amigo diha Sugbo. Puhon, ugma puhon ana ami diha sa kinito, moabot down ugma para diha sa boxing sa Sugbo. J.J. Helterbrand inside. And Daniel Defonso gets the rebound para sa San Miguel Beer. Tumatakbo ngayon ang San Miguel. Daniel Defonso gets it back to L.A. Tenorio on Tiveros. Back to Tenorio. Three-point shot. TM3. Atin sa inyo ng TM. Ang pinalakas na touch mobile.
May focus player natin nakatira ng 3-point shot. Sabi niya sa akin, every day, he hits 180, 200 3-point makes. Hindi yung attempts lang, ha? Pero makes. And in that,
kailangan.
he says he takes all of those shots from 8 different angles around the
Uy!
three-point area.
Samantala si Mark Kagiwa is hammered inside. At hindi pumasok ang tira pero nakakuha siya ng foul. Don Tiveros acknowledging that one. Pero sino ba tinawagan? Si Dorian Peña tinawagan. That will be number 3 on Dorian Peña.
Kagiwa only 6 points a game. And that's a far cry from his average sa series.
Oo. At alam natin na Barangay Ginebra likes to get the points from Mark Kagiwa. Hoy, it is now 8:29. Oras na para mag-San Mig Light. San Mig Light, mahaba-habang kulitan. Dagang salamat. Ito si Don Tiveros. There's a pick from Dorian Peña. Sinusundan ni Billy Mamaril. Danny Ay. Tumaksak sa loob. Pinagpal ni Rudy Hatfield with a shot clock. Ito si J.J. Helterberg. Sinulong ni L.A. Tenorio. And the foul is given up by L.A. Tenorio.
Magandang foul ni L.A. Tenorio yun because you stop the fast break, no?
That's right. Pero ito, ang ganda nung palpal ni Rudy Hatfield, ano ha?
And that's the way to play. The interior defense na kailangan, no? They need to take away the inside points ng San Miguel Beer.
Kinaliwa pa ni Daniel Defonso yun. Nahabol pa ni Hatfield. Helderbrand inside. There's the whistle. At may tatawagan na naman ang foul. It could be L.A. Tenorio once again. That's number 3 on L.A. Tenorio.
Our colleagues sa broadcasting team ng ABC, si Magu, nanonood sa Grill 77. Punong-puno daw sila doon watching this game.
Punong-puno na sa
Yun din.
siyempre.
Tsaka Ginebra.
Ayun.
Yan.
Ayos. J.J. Helderbrand. Yes. Rings the bell twice from the free throw line. Cuts the lead of San Miguel down to 11.
Here's a little bit of a press now coming from Ginebra.
They get it over to Roman. Ando ka na the backcourt area. Ando ka looking around. Ito na the Don. Ako! Alanganin yung pase.
Okay, nagpanig yung San Miguel. Nung nakita nila, nag-full court press ang Ginebra.
And it worked.
Oh yes, it certainly did. Ang malaking bagay doon, partner, is that Hatfield left Adunco open to handle the ball at midcourt.
Yeah.
And the big man just didn't know what to do with the ball.
Kagiwa! Kapos! Dalawang beses ng kapos yung tira ni Kagiwa. Kanina, second quarter.
8 points a game. He's averaging 28 points sa serye. So he's got a long way to go. He's 2 out of 8 from the floor sa game.
Maray Tenorio. Pinigay kay Lordy Tugade. Tugade against Salvacion. Don Tiveros 3-point shot. Wala. And dalawa. Kagiwa comes down with the rebound. Kagiwa into the front court. Sinalubog ni Don Tiveros. Kagiwa pa rin. Sumaksak sa loob. And he draws the foul.
And now you feel the pace of the game is slightly getting higher.
Oo, ibang klase.
Yung intensity ng Ginebra, pumipick up ngayon dito sa third quarter.
Ang dami raw nanonood sa atin sa Boracay. Pamilya ni Rene and Ami De Leon, Portillo and Ben de Dios family, as well as the Calaquian family dyan sa Boracay. Buti pa kayo. Kami nagkatrabaho.
Si L.A. Tenorio, napalitan ngayon ni Olsen Bracela. One of the youngest players sa PBA, 22 years old lang.
Pero kung maglaro, parang veterano eh. No?
Oh, and you know, more than being just a player, he has graduated from Ateneo with a degree in interdisciplinary studies, major in communications and psychology. So you have to tip off your hat. But before he entered the PBA, he made sure that he would graduate.
That's a very good example para sa ating mga kabataan. Ano? Huwag puro basketball. Kailangan mag-aral tayo. 10 puntos ang inahabol ng Barangay Ginebra. But they've made some headway here in the third quarter. Ito si J.J. Helderbrand. Got away from Olsen Rosella. And he scores. J.J. Helderbrand now with 9 points in the game. At biglang napatawag ng timeout. Ito si Coach Chuck Reyes ng San Miguel Beer. The lead is now down to 8. We'll be right back. San Miguel and Barangay Ginebra. Ang sabi, tapusin nyo na. Doon sa banner na
Meron ako nakita poster doon, 3-3. Gusto sabihin
may
tatapla ng to make a Game 7 possible.
Kanya-kanyang gusto yan, kanya-kanyang request eh.
Ito na naman ang full court press. At ang ginagamit nila sa full court press in the trap is Hatfield. because he can move away from the big man he's guarding, Daniel Defonso, kaya si Ronel Anugo.
Mabilis yan eh. Wesley Gonzalez has it against Sunday Salvacion. Looking at Daniel Defonso. Napasundot si J.J. Helterbrand. Tried to check himself, pero tawag na yung foul. Second personal on J.J. Helterbrand.
Matagal-tagal lang nakaupo si Danny Siegel.
Yes.
This is not just probably because of foul trouble. Maybe
Kaya nga,
meron
nakakapagtaka na yan. Nakakapagtaka na yan.
Oo.
London Ontiveros against Tagiwa. Jumper by Denver Smith. London Ontiveros now with 14 points in the game.
That eases the pressure. Balik sa 10 points ang lamang ng San Miguel.
Sunday Salvacion looking inside. Binigay kay Billy Mamaril. Mamaril, no! Ang ganda na pass through. Oh! Hatfield misses it! And the rebound taken by Danny I to Olsen Rosella forward now to London Ontiveros. Ontiveros is the one taking the scoring cudgels para dito sa San Miguel Beer. Sumasakit si London Ontiveros. Ayun, sinabas kay Olsen Rosella. 8 seconds to go on the shot clock. Rosella inside. And the rebound by Rudy Hatfield.
Yan na naman yung interior defense ng Ginebra.
Oops.
Well, that was a 5-on-4.
Yeah.
Kanya si Ontiveros giving up the foul. Si Olsen Rosella naiwan dun sa backcourt.
Preemptive foul by London Ontiveros. Only his second personal in the game.
Substitution, Ronald Tubid for
Ronald Tubid is being sent in by Coach John Wichico para kay Sunday Salvacion. Nakakalahati po ating third quarter ng labanang ito. Ronald Tubid maglalabas ang bola para sa Barangay Ginebra. Mark Tagiwa. Ronald Tubid. Tubid at the baseline. Dinabas ulit kay Tagiwa. Tagiwa sumaksak sa loob. Off the glass. Ayaw. And the rebound taken in by London Ontiveros na dulas pa. Here's Olsen Rosella. Wesley Gonzalez. Humihingi si Daniel Defonso. Good, binigay na. Against Rudy Hatfield. El Defonso cross-court to Rosella. They bring it over to Wesley Gonzalez. Gonzalez inside. Good fake. Miss one pass si Billy Mamaril.
And Wesley Gonzalez is now in double figures.
Ibang klase itong larong ito. Dito talaga namang nagkakadantong balelong na ito yung mga tao rito. At hindi. Sa Badara, Eric Meck is coming back in for Billy Mamaril on the Barangay Ginebra side. Still no sign of Danny Siegel.
Pero kung maganda ang laro ni Gonzalez hindi na babalik yan eh. Because Tugadi ang kapalit niyan. So...
Besides, lamang naman sila ng 12. So...
Yes, I think that's the main factor.
Kung tumabla to, sigurado babalik.
Missing the three-point play completion.
Yes, Wesley Gonzalez, hindi na ipasok yung free throw. J.J. Helterbrand right corner court. Teka. May timeout yata tinawag. Yes, it's a full timeout called by Barangay Ginebra. Let's go back to ABC 5. Top still by 12 at 59-47. Nasa Barangay Ginebra ang bola. J.J. Helterbrand to Rudy Hatfield. Back to Helterbrand. Pagkasak si Ontiveros. Tubid is open. He takes it closer. Binigay kay Eric Meck. Malakas ang tira. Rebound. Scramble. Nakuha ni London Ontiveros. Olsen Rosella nakita sa ilalim si Daniel Defonso. Nandun si J.J. Patay ang butigi. Nakuha na naman ni Daniel Defonso. Ang daming nakaputiro. Nakapaligid lahat kay Daniel Defonso. Pinagtulong-tulungan.
Pero siya para kakuha ng offensive rebound.
Alright. Ano ba talaga nangyari kay Danny Siegel, Eric Reyes?
Well, I checked on Danny Siegel's condition. Sabi ni Assistant Coach Nasser Rosera sa akin, maganda pang nilalaro ng mga players sa loob. Kaya at the same time, pinapahinga muna siya because meron nga siyang inihindang problema sa kanyang calf. But at the same time, he's ready to play. Talagang maganda lang ang nilalaro ng 5 sa loob. Ed?
Okay, that's good news para sa San Miguel.
At least we know that he's not hurt. But what a luxury for Coach Chotre. Ang kanyang leading scorer, nandun sa bench, nakaupo. At ang laki pa ng lamang nila.
That's right.
Umabot na ng 14 points. Ngayon, the biggest lead was 16.
Guy was back in the second quarter. Ronald Tubid has it. Tubid. Laban kay Danny I. Uy! Lubusot pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Loose ball picked up by Mark Tagiwa. Tagiwa gets it over to Tubid. Tubid right corner. Tubid na. Wala pa. Uy! Nakakuha ng foul. Was that in three-point country? Ano yun? Teka.
Si Ildefonso, tinawagan. Tatlo yun.
Tatlo.
They'll take 3. That's right. They'll give him 3 free throws.
Ang dami nanonood sa probinsya, sa Pangasinan, sa Santa Barbara, dyan sa Manawag, Dr. Ming Rosario, Masanto Salabit Sigeo, at sa Cebu. Nandun daw sila sa Yayoy, sa mga kaibigan natin, sa Dennis Principe at si Ronnie Natanya. Okay, 4 minutes 21 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Ito ang ating Converse running layup. Panoorin nyo naman itong ginawa ni Don. Ang ganda naman! Don Doranteveros on the unstoppable running layup, Converse, the first school. Tubid misses on the first free throw. Anong sinasabi? Ano ito?
Illegal entry on the part of Wesley Gonzalez. Bibigyan siya ng another free throw. So, baliwala yung mintis kanina ni Tubid.
Dalawa pa, bibigay.
Pumasok na agad eh. At sabi naman ni Wesley Gonzalez, na-release na yung bola, kanya siya pumasok. But there is another free throw coming up now. 2 more. Teka mo, for Tubid. Tatlong free throws at bibigay.
Di ba 3-point shot naman talaga?
Oo, tama. Pero bibigyan siya ng pang-apat.
Bale.
Na free throw. Illegal entry nga kanina, no? Nabanggit po yung mga kaibigan natin watching this game all over the Philippines. What about our friends from Laguna? Incidentally, Pila Elementary School sa Pila, Laguna. Class reunion ninyo. Golden Homecoming class of 57. That will be on June 2nd, 2007. Contact persons si Mr. Richard Tangusin at saka si Councilor Adelina Fernando.
Saan yan?
Sa Pila, Laguna.
Okay.
Kaibigan natin si Ned Francisco making this announcement.
Okay. Please fall in line. Sa Pila, Laguna kasi. 61-50, 11-point lead para sa San Miguel. Nasa kanila ang bola. Wesley Gonzalez, titira ng 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Ito, dumadagundong na yung Maraneta Coliseum, nag-iingay na yung mga barangay Hinebra rito. Coach Tommy, nakita natin we thought for a while that Barangay Hinebra had already made some headway, pero ito, bumalik na naman yung San Miguel eh.
Nagkaroon ng more intensity uli yung San Miguel. Gumanda ang depensa nila, no? So, the only way to really initiate energy is good defense.
Ito, tignan natin yung Ronald Tubid not giving up. One-handed follow-up. That was really something else.
Offensive rebound for Barangay Hinebra. Ito sinasabi natin, yung energy level ng Hinebra, that will show in the offensive rebounding stats, in steals, at saka sa block shots. Let's see what they can do.
Well, so far, I think San Miguel Beer is doing well in the rebounding department. That was an air ball by Olson Rosetta. Eric Meck nakuha rebound. At ito ngayon si J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand goes to Mark Kagiwa inside! Oh boy.
Teardrop to Mark Kagiwa. This lead is now down to 7.
11 points for Mark Kagiwa. Hindi na kami magkaranigan dito!
Again, yung depensa ng Barangay Hinebra, yung kanilang traffic defense is creating havoc on the offense ng San Miguel. Up!
Ano yun? Foul on Menk. Si Dorian Peña was trying to back up against Eric Menk. Only the first personal on Eric Menk.
Importante dito for San Miguel. Huwag sila magpanik. Hinebra is now on a run. They're putting a lot of pressure sa kanilang depensa. And San Miguel just must stay focused and composed.
Alalahanin natin mga kaibigan, Barangay Hinebra is in the lead in the series, 3 games to 2, and can wrap this up tonight. Andukul runs into the goal basket. Offensive foul is called on Romel Andukul. And obviously, Andukul and Coach Chot Reyes do not agree. You can see that there. Need I say more?
Ginawa ni Coach Chong doon, may pressing defense. Nag-zone naman siya. So, the mixture of defense, the pressing doesn't give them time to set up on low post.
Ronald Tubid!
Ito na, he's fueling the breakaway. Ronald Tubid, it's a 9-0 run by Barangay Hinebra. The lead is down to 5.
5 na lang ang kalamangan ng San Miguel Beer. Kanina po, umabot ng 16 yan. And Coach Chot Reyes sues for time. 30 seconds lang ang tinawag na timeout ni Coach Chot Reyes. May bumagsak yan. Samantala, ang ating Astig Replicon 40 action. Ito sinasabi natin. One-handed follow-up by Ronald Tubid. Hatid sa inyo ng Astig Replicon 40 para sa lakas na di umayaw.
Well, in total, meron ng 12 points si Ronald Tubid. 7 coming in this quarter. Sabi nga natin, he's fueling this surge ng Barangay Hinebra.
All right, mga kaibigan, 2 minutes and 33 seconds remaining here in the third. San Miguel's lead cut down to only 5.
Si Danny Siegel, bumalik na.
Oo.
Again, ito yung sinasabi natin, no? Just in case magkaroon ng situation na makakabalik ang Barangay Ginebra, ibabalik ni Coach Sean Reyes kaagad, si Siegel. And sure enough,
Nice pass to Romel Aducol, but he gets entangled. Teka, natapakan yata si Eric Meg. Parang may sinishake off sa paa niya. Pero okay naman. Second personal on Eric Meg and Romel Aducol at the line.
The entire semifinal series, hindi siya nakapaglaro because of a fractured toe. So, ewan ko lang kung yung ngayon at naapakan siya, no? If it was on that toe that was fractured.
Pero parang he was able to shake it off naman. Romel Aducol.
Alam mo, kumanta ang free throw stroke, ha? Si Aducol.
Alam natin na that's one of the weaknesses of Romel Aducol. Pero ngayon, more than the stroke, yung kumpiyansa, yun ang importante. Basta
Aducol
wala
is hitting 50% from his free throws.
Ayun, 50% ka. Rafi Rivas gets the rebound. Well, he used to do a lot worse. Di ba?
Well, he's also flexing his knees a lot more now. He didn't
Oh,
used
you
to
can
do
say that again. Mark Kagiwa! And the lead is down to 3. TM 3 yan. Natin sa inyo ng TM. Ang pinalakas na touch mobile. Kagiwa now with 14 points. Tatlo na lang. Danny Siegel. Medyo malamig ito. And Eric Mick has the rebound. Binigay kay J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand into the front court. Helterbrand tuloy-tuloy. Rafi Rivas, taga muna, no basket there.
Teka, nagkakagulo na tayo rito.
Oh.
And the fans are reacting to every situation on the floor. Ang lamang ng San Miguel down to just 3. At si Rafi Rivas will be at the line. Both teams in a penalty.
Pero Paolo, tinawag kay Olsen Racela. Olsen Racela tinawagan na kayong ng pangalawang personal foul, and that will send Rafi Rivas to the line.
Biggest lead ng San Miguel was back in the second period, 16 points. Umabot ng 14 sa quarter na ito. You see the balloons.
On the court at free throws now. Nakita kay game, kin kakamsat at Northern Luzon. Naimbang na rumi yamin na po. Okay nga road. One more shot for Rafi Rivas. A minute and 37 to go. Ang ating score 62-59. San Miguel Beer in the lead by 3. In game number 6, Barangay Ginebra with a 3-2 lead in the series, looking to end it all here. Wala pa rin. 2 misses by Rafi Rivas. Olsen Racela pinala ng bola, binigay kay Don Ontiveros. Ontiveros inside the paint. Dinabas ulit kay Racela. Racela swings it over. Lordy Tugade, back to Racela. Ang hanggang depensa ng Barangay Ginebra. Resulta ng Olsen Racela.
Taking a one-hander.
Big basket.
Against that defense ng Ginebra.
9 points for Olsen Racela.
Grabe yung closeout niya, no? Anyone with a basketball, yun lang, nakawala si Racela. A tremendous defense being played here by Ginebra.
Mark Kagiwa from the outside. Wala. Danny Siegel grabs the rebound. And they want to set it up. Olsen Racela. Balik ulit kay Danny Siegel. To Lordy Tugade. Tugade. Labas kay Siegel. Racela. Don Ontiveros gets knocked over by Rafi Rivas.
Yun ang tinatawag natin na patience in offense. Moving the ball around the perimeter.
At yun sinasabi Coach Tommy, hindi naman nagpapanik itong San Miguel. Ano?
Hindi naman. As Kinito said, they have to have more patience. No? Pag pine-press ka ng defense, they want you to take the first available shot. Which you should not. No? Because that fuels their fast break no? Pag nag-miss ka.
At yung nga, nakikita natin, nagpapasahan sila. And they're looking for the open man, the open situation.
Pareho nasa penalty na. You see that poster, 3-3. Yun ang gusto ng fan yun. No? Gusto nila matabla ng San Miguel itong seryeng ito. So it will go to a game 7 on Sunday. Ano to? Don 7, kiss me or ano?
Give me your jersey. Not much choice. 1 out of 2 by Don Ontiveros. And the lead is 6 para sa San Miguel. Ronald Tubid. Ibang klase energy nito. Sumobra sa energy. Napalakas ang tira. Don Rontiveros brings it up para sa San Miguel Beer. Binigay kay Lordy Tugade. Reverse layup. Kaliwa pa ginamit. Lordy Tugade from the baseline.
Ginamit ni Tugade yung bilis niya because nakita niya si Eric Menk was going to close in on him. And so he just drove past him. Now Hatfield is not on the floor. I think Coach Joseph and Chico might want to consider a Hatfield at this point because he gives them also tremendous energies on the defensa. And defense is what can get them back. San Miguel is playing a
Whoa! Rafi Rivas. They badly needed that. 4 points for Rafi Rivas in the game.
Paubos na itong oras natin sa third period.
And Ildefonso will take the last shot. Ayaw. And there's the buzzer ending action for the third quarter of Game 6 of the Championship Series. At sigaw ng bayan at ng Reficon 40 para sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings at San Miguel Beermen. Kaya nyo yan! Ewan lang namin kung kaya pa namin. Pero pipilitan natin ang score. 67-67 ng San Miguel Beer at Barangay Ginebra Game 6 of the finals. Lordy Tugade. Wala. Loose ball, out of bounds. Last touch on Rivas. Sabi ni referee Ferrer. All right. It will stay with San Miguel. Olsen Racela mag-inbound. Binigay kay Lordy Tugade. Reverse na naman. Kanan naman ang ginamit ngayon. Kanina kaliwa. Ngayon kanan. And Tugade now with 6 points in the game.
Nakita natin yung quarter scoring kanina. 27 points scored by Ginebra in the third quarter against 21 for San Miguel. And in a quarter where Ginebra had 0 turnover.
Zero turnover.
Oh,
Para kay
sa
Ginebra.
third quarter.
Well, kaya naman nakahabol sila. We started the half with a 12-point deficit staring the face sa Barangay Ginebra, but they were able to whittle it down to a low of 6. Yorni, ng Quezon City. Bigyan natin ang goal curtain yan. Tommy.
Manotice mo, Ed, yung lineup ng San Miguel, maliit, ha?
Yes, I was just going to say that they're now playing a lot of shooters and they have the only big man si Daniel Defonso.
Wala si Dorian, wala si Atupol.
Exactly. At saka si Don Rontiveros. A lot of shooters on the floor for San Miguel
They
Beer.
want to match the speed.
7-point lead by San Miguel. Danny Siegel inside against Rivas. Kinaliwa ni Danny Siegel.
Ito yung explosion na hinihintay ng tao. Si Danny Siegel, who played only 7 minutes the entire first half.
All right. Rafi Rivas inside.
Pero zona ang San Miguel. Maliit ang tao nila, pero zona para makontrol mo rin yung gitna. Hindi magbibitaw ng one-on-one yan.
Nag-one-on-one ka, lamang na lamang yung kalaban doon. Pero ayun na, si Dorian Peña is all set to come in. Pinakausap pa ni Assistant Coach B-Boy Rabanes. Samantala, Rafi Rivas at the line. Oh, wala pa rin. Samantala, natin sa ating Extreme Magic Action Shot. Papakita sa atin ni Lordy Tugade from the baseline. Yun, yung pakaliwa. Nadukot ko, brought to you by Extreme Magic Swing, ang tunay na champion sa Sabah kahit saan. Kahit nasa kantahan, Extreme Magic Swing, ang champion sa kantahan.
Rafi Rivas 1 out of 6 from the line.
Finally.
2 out of 7.
And he cuts the lead of San Miguel down to 8 at 71-63. Don Rontiveros binigay kay Olsen Racela. Lordy Tugade. Donder is open. Whoa! Hits the bucket. Long two lang yan. Nakatapak yata sa linya. But it is now back to double-digit lead for San Miguel. Rafi Rivas. Uy! Sa ilang, inabot ni Dorian Peña yung dukot ni Johnny Abarientos. But against attack to Sunday Salvation to Mark Kagiwa. Kagiwa! Short jumper is good. 73-65, 8-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. Nasa kanila ang bola. Olsen Racela. Dapat ka Danny Siegel. Siegel attacks the defense of Rafi Rivas and picks up a foul. Got it kay Rivas. Number 5 na ba yan kay Rivas? Aba, panlima na ni Rafi Rivas. Uy, yan ako, meron pa yatang technical. Kanina pa nagre-reklamo sa Rivas. Diyan mismo kay referee Ferrer.
Kanya naman nabigyan na ng technical.
Oo, mukhang bibigyan ng technical. Ayun.
Well, si Rudy Hatfield is checking back in along with J.J. Helterbrand. Medyo late itong pagpalik ni Rudy Hatfield. At yung mga naton lamang ng San Miguel with free throws coming up. Ito yung technical free throw.
Si Olsen Rosella pa ang titira. Although he did miss a free throw earlier, pero sabi nga natin, one of the most reliable free throw shooters in the PBA.
Kasasabi mo lang.
Kasi sinabi ko naman, nagbintos din kanina yan. Pinangunahan ko na eh. Hirap na eh. But these things happen. Nasa pangalawang minuto pa lang tayo ng fourth quarter. Lamang ng 8 ang San Miguel at 73-65. And Danny Siegel will take the 2 free throws on the personal foul.
Now, this is going to be a big test also, no, for Danny Siegel. Because panggigigil ito eh. He will want to get his points. And it's a big test for him whether he can play team ball. Because he will have a tendency to play individualistic ngayon to be able to play his kind of game.
Ay, mga nandiyan sa Eastwood. Ang dami raw nanonood sa TV dyan sa Eastwood. Ay, mga watering holes dyan. Mga taga-Veterans Memorial Medical Center doctors and the med reps ng Pfizer. Lalo si O'Neal. Nandiyan daw sila. Gandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Johnny Abarientos. At yung mga nasa bus. Ang dami raw bus na bumabiyahe nga. Puro PBA pinanonood. Helterbrand, pinalpal ni Danny Siegel, but it stays with Barangay Ginebra. Billy Mamaril coming in for Eric Menk. Pakiusap lang daw ng mga pasahero ng bus. Mamang driver, huwag na kayo manood. Kami na lang magkukwento sa inyo. Helterbrand is fouled by Olsen Rosella.
That's his third foul. 3 on the board.
Helterbrand at the line. So far, si J.J. Helterbrand on and off dito sa larong ito, just like Mark Kagiwa.
Yung consistency na pinakita ni J.J. Helterbrand in the previous 3 games, which he never all won. Hindi natin nakikita rito, no? Sabi ko nga, no, he's been on and off. He only has 4 assists in this game. And you need Helterbrand taking charge for Ginebra.
Helterbrand now has 11 points para sa Barangay Ginebra cause. Lordy Tugade, sinusunod ni Sunday Salvacion. Danny Siegel against Rudy Hatfield. They spread it out on the offense. Pinili ko ni Danny Siegel. He's looking for a foul.
That's exactly what I was saying, no? He will have a tendency to go individualistic.
Johnny! 3-point shot. TM Presión at Integral ng TM ang pinalakas na Touch Mobile. And it's down to a 5-point lead by San Miguel Beer. 9 minutes and 17 seconds to go.
Well, this is a big experiment on the part of Coach Torres, si Wesley Gonzalez, Danny Siegel, and Tugada playing all at the same time. Natatawagan ng foul ang Barangay Ginebra.
Rudy Hatfield tried to grab the basketball away from Wesley Gonzalez. Hatfield will pick up his 3rd personal foul.
That's a big call. Yung lamang ng San Miguel, chopped down to 5.
Tapos sa komunidad, Tacloban, Glen Vallecera de la Pal. Tacloban City, mopeng gabi yung katanan. Kasangkayan ng kaparintihan nila. Tacloban, bubus later. Wesley Gonzalez, playing out of the Ateneo, was with Air 21. With something again, those free throws. Kanina si Olsen Rosella, ito si Wesley. Not bad din ito sa free throw line. Ganito eh.
Well, he's certainly feeling the pressure. Gonzalez is shooting 62% from the free throw line in the conference.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Dako. And the loose ball is grabbed by Sunday Salvacion. Yan ang sinasabi natin sa Salvacion. Magaling din mag-rebound yan. Johnny Abarientos, hands it up to Billy Mamaril. Dinabas kay Salvacion. Back to Johnny Abarientos. Abarientos facing Olsen Rosella. Dinabas kay J.J. Helterbrand against Wesley Gonzalez. They've got 7 on the shot clock. Helterbrand. Tumalog. Abarientos. Loose ball foul is called on Olsen Rosella.
Kanina si Abarientos nakakuha ng rebound underneath the San Miguel basket. Now an offensive rebound para sa kanya. And he's the smallest man on the floor.
Well, leave it to a veteran like Johnny Abarientos to know how to stay calm and composed in a very critical situation such as this. Ito si Helterbrand, zigzagging. And there's going to be a foul called.
Holding foul number 15, Wesley Gonzalez.
Wesley Gonzalez with 4 personals. Pang-limang team foul na yan ng San Miguel Beer.
Interesting to end, no? Coach Shot has decided to stay really with a small team. No? Si Adukol pumasok, inalis si Peña. Peña took out Ildefonso. So talagang I think he's gambling on his shooters, no? To deliver because nagpre-press kasi ang Ginebra, no? So gusto niyang mas mobile ang mga players niya.
Well, the shots will still have to drop though.
Tenorio is now back on the floor.
Sunday is open. Wala. Loose ball picked up by L.A. Tenorio. Forward na to Donfilo Tiveros. Masyado malakas ang pasa. And it's picked up by Helterbrand in the backcourt. Bad pass by L.A. Tenorio. Helterbrand picks up speed.
Oh, he wanted that shot badly.
Ang dami nagtalunan dito sa loob ng Araneta Coliseum. Mabuti na lang, matibay ang pundasyon dito.
Mark Aguibar's about to check in. Ano ba, partner? Yung matchup, Abarrientos and Tenorio. Tenorio being our focus player, tinanong ko sa kanya, if he were to choose one player whom he has been guarding, in other words, an opponent that he would rather have as a teammate, kasi ang hirap gwardyahan. Sabi niya si Johnny Abarrientos yun.
Marami namang mag-agree sa kanya. J.J. Helterbrand makes the first and cuts the lead of San Miguel out of 4 at 75-71. Alalahanin po ninyo, kanina pa ang first quarter, hinablot ng San Miguel Beer ang kalamangan dito sa larong ito. Kanina pa naghahabol ang Barangay Ginebra and they've closed the gap down to only 3. Tatlo na lang.
Marami pang oras. Over 8 minutes to go.
Ito na yung pinakamalapit na inabot ng Barangay Ginebra sa kalamangan. Kanina rin, down to 3 points. Dondonon Tiveros. Danny Siegel for 3! Go! And it's picked up by Helterbrand. Ito na ang Barangay Ginebra. They're down by 3. 7 minutes and 49 seconds to go. Helterbrand zigzagging. Picks it up. Short. Loose ball. Picked up by Helterbrand himself. No basket there.
But
body strewn on the floor.
On the floor.
Rudy Hatfield and Romel Adukol.
Ano yun? Kickball.
Referee Kalungkagin.
Yes, it is a kickball.
It was a kickball violation. All right, 7:44 to go in game number 6 of the finals. 75-72, San Miguel by 3. We have this timeout. It's remaining in the ball game. Danny Siegel has it in the corner. Siegel puts it up. Voila. That was partially deflected. Mark Aguilar.
I think Siegel has missed his last 4 shots.
That's right. But what happens here with lack of big men, a big man ends up guarding Danny Siegel. Hatfield was guarding Danny Siegel.
Whoa! Abayan, Debrad, 3-3, Sanin Galatia, napinalakas ang touch mobile. We are deadlocked. Tabla na tayo, mga kapatid.
And there's an offensive foul. Billy Mamaril getting under the skin of Romel Adukol. He's called for an offensive foul. Turnover. Babalik ang bola sa Barangay Ginebra. The crowd is going wild.
All right, mga kaibigan, we've got more than 18,000 souls inside the Araneta Coliseum and there is no space for anyone or anything else. Pero na lang kung kakalungin kayo ni Tommy Manotok, pero talaga hindi papayag. Helterbrand. Hatfield, nakita si Billy Mamaril. Mamaril with a hook shot. There's going to be a foul, and Billy Mamaril will have to give the lead back to Barangay Ginebra if he can from the free throw line.
That's 4 personal fouls on Adukol.
Mahaba pa ito, 6 minutes and 49 seconds.
Ang hinahabol dito ni Coach Joseph DeChico, yung ginawa ng Miami Heat sa NBA Finals last season. Dallas was up 2-0 to start that series. Then Miami came back to win 4 straight and they won the championship.
Mabigat yun.
Mabigat talaga yun.
Ito na naman, Ildefonso, Adukol lang linabas, so he's still playing small. As I said, Ginebra has the luxury of putting a big man on Danny Siegel with this kind of lineup.
Hindi pinagsasabay-sabay ni Coach Chotre, sila Dorian, sila Danny, at
which he did in the first half.
Yes. Loose ball. Naku, parehong hindi pumasok yung free throw ni Billy Mamaril. And so tabla pa rin tayo. 6:41 to go.
Well, anticipation dito ni Coach Otres is yung hustling and scrambling defense ng Ginebra. Here's Danny Siegel.
What a shot by Danny Siegel. Pinomba pa sa ere.
Now he had missed his last 4 shots, so he's due for a basket.
11 points for Danny Siegel. Did not see too much action in the second and third quarters nung malaking lamang ng San Miguel. Ito, lumipad, binomba. At pumasok pa ang tira, sumabit pa. May sumabit pa. 3-point play completed by Danny Siegel to again give San Miguel the 3-point lead at 78-75. The last time na sa pagkakaalala ko na lumamang itong Barangay Ginebra, first quarter pa eh. Sunday Salvacion out to Kagiwa. Kagiwa for 3. Wala. Loose ball out of bounds for San Miguel. All right, 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining here in the ball game. 3-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Pantalon de Veras from the corner. Uy!
Okay, foul.
Si Mark Kagiwa. Tinamaan niya yung braso eh. That's going to be number 4. Yes, number 4 on Mark Kagiwa. Nakakalahati pa na tayo sa fourth quarter. Ontiveros at the line. Makes the first. And it is now 79-75. Back to a 4-point lead para sa San Miguel.
And yan ang San Miguel faithful. Sabi nga natin, all about faith. San Miguel and Hontiveros is shooting 89.5% from the line in this final series.
Lead up against Barangay Basaknes, Mambaling. Sa Sugbo, may gabi inyong tanan. At ano tayo timeout. Back to ABC 5. Ano na mga kaibigan ng ating Pony Face-Off. At ayun ito, maganda ito. Nakikita pa natin si Danny Siegel. Aangat at sinalubong ni Billy Mamaril. Ano mangyayari? Lusot si Danny Siegel. Catch more exciting face-off. Siyempre, dito sa ating game na ito, hatid sa inyo ng Pony.
Let's get it on!
Rudy Hatfield just scored his 9th point para sa Barangay Ginebra. At binaba po ang kalamangan ng San Miguel down to 3 at 80-77. Inside, open si Daniel Defonso. Butas na butas si depensa ron. Alright, 82-77. Lima na naman ang abante ng San Miguel Beer. 5 minutes and 20 seconds to go. Sunday Salvacion! Hey! In and out! Pasok na! Dinuwa pa! Olsen Rosella. Directing operations para sa San Miguel Beer.
And you see the zone.
Correct.
Ng Barangay Ginebra.
Daniel Defonso. Nagbintis. Ito na si Mark Kagiwa. Binigay kay J.J. Helterbrand. Helterbrand, pasingsang-singsang. Pinitin ang tira, pumasok!
One of the best at stopping on a dime. Yung pull-up jumper ni JJ. He can suspend himself in midair and make the shot going down.
Grabe ang control.
Tatlo ang lamang. Tumablan na ito kanina at 75 all.
That's right.
Time ticking away.
Ontiveros! Wala. Loose ball. Dato ni Mark Kagiwa. Tumatakbo Barangay Ginebra. Hinahabol na Rosella. There's the bounce pass to J.J. Helterbrand. And Rudy Hatfield scores on the follow-up to cut the lead of San Miguel down to only 1 at 82-81.
Clean-up job. And Coach Joseph Pacheco is saying, go towards the man with the ball. He wants them to attack. And then they settle to a zone.
Lordy Tugade in 3-point country. Dinabas kay Ontiveros. They swing it over to Olsen Rosella for the open shot. Oh, clutch hit by Olsen Rosella.
Those are big baskets. If you see Mrs. Olsen Rosella, very, very happy.
Ano ba, si Olsen talagang buong loob eh, no ha?
Oo.
Saka wala kang makikitang nervous dito eh.
Ang composure talaga ang importante. Especially when Barangay Ginebra is on the run.
Sunday! Piedras, ang itsayo ng TM, ang pinalakay sa touch mobile. Kagulo dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Tabla at 84 all. Yan, naririnig nyo na. Isigawan dito. Olsen Rosella! Wala. Loose ball, Daniel Defonso. And again, the rebounding of San Miguel saves them here. To give them another opportunity, Danny Siegel goes up. Wala, pero meron foul. Hindi pa rin pinapayagan ng San Miguel na makalamang itong Barangay Ginebra, Coach Tommy.
Tsaka walang low post, dahil nagzozona ang Ginebra. So, probably Coach Chong said, if you're going to beat us from the outside, with the outside shot. Nakakuha lang ng bola si Danny Siegel doon on a cut from the weak side.
Also, wala din masyado mga post players ang San Miguel right now.
Correct.
They're using a small lineup.
That's why he went to a small lineup.
Yes. But a good gamble also on the part of Coach Rodriguez to preserve Danny Siegel. No? Ngayon at kailangan si Danny. He did rest a lot of minutes kanina.
Matagal-tagal talaga yung pahinga kanina ni Danny Siegel. As he's got fresh legs. One more shot para kay Danny Siegel. 3:09 to go. Makes both his charities and gives San Miguel the 2-point lead at 86-84.
Mukhang down to the wire finish ito, partner.
Ay, ganun talaga ang
Last 3 minutes.
lumilitaw. Mark Caguioa. Inside to Rafi Rivas! Yes! Ganda ng pasa.
Yung unselfish play ng Ginebra. Now they're seeing that it's a small lineup that they're facing, so they're going to the big guys inside.
Oh, Sarah. So got it. Inside, Danny Siegel goes up. Tinamaan sa mukha si Rudy Hatfield. Ito si J.J. Helterbrand. He pulls up. Teka. Ayan, may dugo.
Looks like there's blood.
Oh, tinamaan sa mukha si Rudy Hatfield.
Rudy Hatfield.
Pagbaba ni Danny Siegel, tinamaan siya sa mukha eh.
Saka mukhang sa ilong Kaya mabilis ang dugo. Magaling sa ilong.
Tsaka masakit talaga yan.
Ang sabi ni Rudy Hatfield. Ano yun?
May technical foul. Sino? Si Daniel Deponso. Daniel Deponso raw ang tinawagan ng technical foul. Ayun si referee Karong Kagin, explain his situation. Ito nangyari. Umangat si Danny Siegel. Pagbaba niya, ay, tuhod pala, tuhod.
Tuhod ni Danny Siegel ang tumama. Sapul yung partner, sapul. Well, definitely, hindi sinasadya yun, no?
Oh, yeah.
Clearly. But Rudy Hatfield, boy, parang knockout punch yun, ha?
Parang Thai-boxing kasi Ibaka.
Pero hindi bumagsak, ha? Hindi bumagsak.
Walang knockdown.
Walang bilangan dyan. Ay, Ginebra. Ang ating first score, 86 all. At si Mike Caguioa has an opportunity to pull Barangay Ginebra into the lead.
Well, knowing Rudy Hatfield, he'll want to check back in.
I'm sure.
Alam mo, heart of a warrior yan, partner.
Huwag lang sanang nabali, no?
Oo.
Sana, huwag naman.
Well, they need to stop the blood from flowing. That's important. Ito yung technical free throw.
Then Mike Caguioa puts Barangay Ginebra in the lead at 87-86.
Ako, Mark Caguioa sa Senado, sandali. Hindi totoo yan. Hindi totoo. Huwag niyo po iboto si Mark Caguioa. Hindi po kandidato yan.
Hindi po nakapag-file.
Technical foul was on Ildefonso for continuous complaining.
Yan.
Yan po yung tinira ni Mark Caguioa kanina lamang. Up by 1 ang Barangay Ginebra. Remember, do or die for San Miguel. Ginebra wins this game. Tapos na ang ating final series. Coach Shot Reyes, very pensive.
Alright, narito kayo si Helterbrand. Binigay kay Sunday Salvacion. Salvacion back to Helterbrand. Lumalabas si Mark Caguioa. Helterbrand pa rin. We got 12 on the shot clock. Helterbrand. Sunday Salvacion is over!
Oh, yes!
TM3! Sa ditsilyo ng TM ang pinalagas sa Times Mobile. Lamang lang Barangay Ginebra ng 4 at 90-86. Barangay Ginebra has been trailing since the first quarter. Now they're up by 4. We have a timeout back to ABC 5. Injury. Ito ang ating Ginebra San Miguel premium best play of the game as Rudy Hatfield gets it back. Rudy Hatfield, our Ginebra San Miguel Premium Gin best play of the game. Have a good time with Ginebra San Miguel Premium Gin. Make yours a premium experience.
Well, Ed, matagal-tagal na natin hindi nakikita si Dorian Peña on the floor, no? That's because Coach Reyes is just matching up to what Ginebra has on the floor. I think it's important that San Miguel establishes its own game. Big victory!
With the TM3 sa tinsinyo ng TM ang pinalakas sa Touch Mobile as we go into the last 2 minutes. Ang ating Outlast 2 minutes at tinsinyo ng Outlast batteries. Wala nang iba.
One clutch shot after another coming from Olsen Rosella.
Nakawala si JJ Helterbrand.
Eto na naman si Sander.
Salvation. Wala. Loose ball. Picked up by Kagiwa. Teka, may loose ball foul. Teka. Wala ho. Hindi ho kasi makakarinigan dito eh.
Looks like a loose ball foul. It might be against San Miguel. Si Hontiveros sa matatawagan. I thought there might have also been a second motion against Mamaril.
Pangapat kay Don Ontiveros. Lamang ang Barangay Ginebra ng isa, 90-89.
Well, yun ang handicap ng San Miguel ngayon. No? They're playing with a small lineup and they're trying to out-rebound the big men of Ginebra, who all have the big advantage of getting those loose balls, especially when they have to go up high for the ball.
Pero ba rin, ito lang kanina, he missed 2 free throws. Ooh! Ayaw pa rin.
1 point lead by Ginebra.
Ano iniisip ko yung Coach Tommy Gay ni Coach Chot Reyes?
Well, ang problema dito, momentum-wise, no? He has to choose now how he's going to change the momentum in 1 minute and 45, no? It's going to be very difficult.
Well, at this point, no, he can bring back Dorian Peña to try to establish a new game plan. Uy, pinanda na ni Billy Mamaril.
Nalakasan ang gusto.
Para sigurado.
Bumanda. 2-point lead for Barangay Ginebra, 91-89. A minute and 38 to go. Don Ontiveros may tanga ng bola.
Oh, this game is far from over.
Oh!
Far from over.
To say that again. Danny Siegel pumaposte. Bihingi. Pinato na kagad. Ni Don Ontiveros. Loose ball. Picked up by Danny Ildefonso. He goes up. Wala! Siegel chips it in. And we're tied at 91. Deadlocked at 91 all with 1 minute and 21 seconds to go. Can this game be any closer? Oy, JJ Helterbrand, tuloy-tuloy. Billy Mamaril, pinaon sa likod ni Don Ontiveros. Yes, Don Ontiveros. Pero tinamaan din si Danny Ildefonso. Nako.
Emotions are running high. Patapos na ang laro natin. Possibly patapos na rin ang ating serye. Danny Ildefonso reacted to some physicality. Si Mamaril, now at the line. Kanina, he missed 1. Yung pangalawang free throw niya, pinanda niya to make sure. Ano kaya ang gagawin ni Billy ngayon? Ibabanda kaya niya? 2 out of 6 from the free throw line in sa game.
Ooh, still some free throw shooting close. Dominic, may balita ba tayo kay Rudy Hatfield?
Oo, hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin tumitigil yung dugo dun sa ilong nitong si Rudy Hatfield. Ang nangyari dun he actually got the rebound. Tumama siya sa tuhod ng isang San Miguel Beerman. Pero sabi naman ng doctor natin dito sa PBA, may sugat lang siya dun sa ilong. It's just a deep cut inside the nose.
That's a bit of good news, ano, dahil at least walang sinasabing broken nose, ano? But Rudy Hatfield still cooling his heels. Samantala, 92-91, Barangay Ginebra by 1. We have a timeout. Ngayong gabi, Gibbs, mga amigo nato dira sa Panay Island, kang sa Negros, sadya naman kay hampang naman ang Barangay Ginebra kag San Miguel Beer. Game 6 at isa lang ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra, 92-91. Nasa San Miguel ang bola, 1 minute and 6 seconds to go.
Most teams in a penalty.
Paulson Rosella down low to Danny Siegel. Siegel puts it up. Mahina. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with San Miguel, says referee Kalungkagin.
Nag-zone ng Ginebra doon, na-overload, na-libre si Danny Siegel. Ano? So,
Minsan, nagugulat din sa San Miguel.
Oo.
This very shifting defense na pinapakita ng Barangay Ginebra.
papalit-palit.
Very unpredictable, Don Ontiveros gets it back to Danny Siegel. Siegel to Lordy Tugade!
A big shot by Lordy!
TM3 sa inside ng TM. Pinalakas na touch mobile. 9 points for Lordy Tugade.
That's why he's in the game for the 3-point shot.
And it's a 2-point lead by San Miguel. We have a timeout.
Okay, 2-point lead with Barangay Ginebra in the possession. On timeouts, marami pa, ha? San Miguel has 2 timeouts left, 1 full and 1 30. At ang Barangay Ginebra, 2 full and 2 30s.
Ito, substitution. Now, Wesley Gonzalez has been sent in for Don Ontiveros by Coach Chot Reyes.
Okay, he's another weapon. Also has been playing good defense against Kagiwa.
Ito si Helterbrand. Helterbrand against Rosella. Binigay kay Sunday Salvacion! Yes! Ano yun?
Dalawa lang.
2 points, 2 points. So, tabla tayo,
Sunday
tabla tayo.
Salvacion has been on fire sa ating second half. He's got 18 points.
Matindi ito si Sunday Salvacion, ano ha?
At hindi lang yun, he's being set up. His teammates are looking for him. They're looking to execute. And Sunday is delivering.
Ito makikita natin. Talaga hinanap ni JJ Helterbrand oh. Hinanap niya si Sunday Salvacion. Kumahabol si Lordy Tugade. But he is a tad too late. Sunday Salvacion scores his 18th point of the game and deadlocks the count at 94-all with shade under 36 seconds remaining in the game. Coach Tommy, ano sa palagay mo ang gagawin naman ngayon ni Coach Chot Reyes?
Well, he'll try to go to low post, I think, to get a foul. No? Ayaw niya ng outside shot, no? And you only have 35 seconds left. You must take a good shot, It's not an outside
High percentage.
High percentage.
And
Question, anong klaseng depensa kaya ang ilalaro ng
correct. Yun ang mangyayari. So he must draw out 2 plays, no? One play if it's a zone and the other play if it's a man-to-man, no?
Yes. Ano ba yan? Makukuha na ba yan? Ang ganda ng trophy, that's the Philippine Cup trophy.
And crafted by Ramon Ordina,
Yung magaling na
national artist.
national artist natin. At si Coach Chot Reyes, sinasabi niya, huwag niyo muna kahawakan yan. Baka sa linggo pa natin pagtuusan yan.
Ayan ang mga lobo na nakikita natin. Up on top of the rafters ng Araneta Coliseum.
Game reset. Pareho na sa penalty niyan.
Okay, San Miguel Beer only with 1 full timeout left. Here we go.
Sa kanila ang bola na sa front court ng San Miguel. We are tied at 94. Binigay kay Dondon Ontiveros. Nakabalik na pa natin si Dondon during the timeout. Ontiveros habang kay Mark Pergiwa. Ontiveros, tuloy-tuloy. Pinabas kay Olsen Lasela. Pinas pa sa kay Dondon. Dondon Ontiveros goes up. Wala. Loose ball. Lordy Tugade. Wala. Loose ball na naman. Rebound trouble. JJ Helterbrand. Outside. Barangay Ginebra. Tawag ni referee Herrera. And Olsen Lasela is trying to tumawag ng timeout.
Tumawag ng timeout, 16.9 seconds to go. Olsen Lasela is trying to question the call.
And, well, referee Herrera has made his decision. Meron tayong timeout. Let's go back to ABC 5.
We'll go for the last shot.
Coaching styles, John Wichico, very active yung kanyang assistant coach na si Shot Tangkinsen.
That's right. Ang advantage nila doon is they've been together for some time. Plus the fact that Chot has actually coached this team, no? While the takeover of Chot Reyes, no, of San Miguel, you can see Chot comes from the style of Team Cone, no? Which is really on his own, no? And the staff is just supporting, no? While the other one, they have actually 2 coaches doing the job.
Eto, merong gagawing situational substitution si Coach Chot Reyes.
Also, a little bit of controversy. Yung pagtawag ng timeout ni JJ Helterbrand, kina-question ng San Miguel that he was falling out of bounds. There is a rule that says you cannot call a timeout if you're falling out of bounds. You have to have good established possession of the ball bago ka pwede magtawag ng timeout.
But the referee has made his decision.
Yes.
And it will stand. Sinasabi kong substitution ni Coach Chot Reyes, si Willie Wilson has not seen action in this ball game, I believe.
Yes, di pa naglalaro.
Kasama si Wesley Gonzalez.
Okay, he's there for defensive purposes, obviously.
John Wichico.
Sasha, sino ba bola dito?
Ito si Ronald Goods.
Okay, Johnny A, Ronald. Dito na Ronald, Johnny A pop out, JJ pop out, isolate. Last shot! Last shot, ha?
Okay, that was pretty clear. They want to go for the last shot. 16.9 seconds ang nalalabi sa larong ito, mga kaibigan. We are deadlocked at 94-all. And hanging in the balance is whether we're going to have another game on Sunday or not. Pagka nakascore itong Barangay Ginebra at hindi na nakabalik itong San Miguel Beer, tapos na po ang serye. Ibig sabihin, magwawagi na po ang Barangay Ginebra ng ating Philippine Cup Finals if they are able to score in this last few seconds of the ball game, not allow San Miguel Beer to get the ball possession once again. May 30-second timeout na tinawag. Yung Barangay Ginebra pa rin. Di pa sila tapos.
Shooters,
Yes.
tsaka outside shooters, no? So they will isolate, I think, one player on top. I think it's Hildebrand, no?
That's what we heard kanina.
Practically all small players
All
on the
small
floor.
players,
Wala
right.
namang
Wala na,
center.
wala na.
Wala nang rebound ito.
Oo.
Si Tubit trying to get a foul as usual.
Okay, this could be the last play of the season.
16.9 seconds to go. Deadlocked at 94. Both teams in the penalty. Ito na, inbound ni Sunday Salvacion. Binigay kay Ronald Tubid. Tubid, umaangat. Hinahanap si Mark Caguioa. Caguioa, 10 seconds to go. Hildebrand has it. Ito na si Hildebrand. One-on-one against Wilson! May foul! May foul! May foul! And they will send Hildebrand to the line with 2.9 seconds to go. 2.9 seconds to go. J.J. Hildebrand will be sent to the line.
Willie Wilson, fresh off the bench, had not played a single second in this game. Coming in to play defense, si Danny Siegel, pinaupo muna ni Coach Chot Reyes to give a chance for his defensive combination on the floor, but they gave up the foul.
Hildebrand is a 63.6% free throw shooter. 63.6%. 2.9 seconds to go, deadlocked at 94 in Game 6. First by Hildebrand is good! And Caguioa goes over to kiss him. Was that JJ's, nakita mo ba yun? Hindi ko masyado napansin eh. Ayun.
Yon ang wife ni JJ, si Charlotte. And she's very, very quiet. She's praying that JJ makes another free throw.
Para makauwi na sila.
Oo. Celebrate.
Nakabook na ang flight.
19 points and 7 assists. Has not missed from the free throw line sa game. 9 out of 9.
And it makes two. J.J. Hildebrand gives Barangay Ginebra a 2-point lead with a shade under 3 seconds remaining in the game. We have a timeout. Not much not too many options here para kay Coach Chot Reyes.
Yeah, the play of Chong Machiko was simplistic. This one will have to have more options, no? Because they don't have the time anymore, no? I don't think they're really going for a 3, no? They're going for a quick 2, either
Extend the ball game.
Oh, just sustain the ball game. Unless they're forced to throw a 3 after the first option.
2.9 seconds to go. 2.9 seconds. Labang ang Ginebra ng dalawa. San Miguel inbounding Olsen Rosera.
A lot of three-point shooters on the floor, however. He needs to pass the ball.
Ayun, si Lodi Tugade! Wala! Wala! Barangay Ginebra wins it! Barangay Ginebra wins it in 6 games after falling behind 0-2. Ang Barangay Ginebra wins 4 straight. Only the 5th team in PBA history to come back from a 0-2 deficit. At kahit dito sa game na ito, Kinito and Tommy ay
Very dramatic ending. Alam mo, partner, yung defense ang pinakita ng Ginebra, ang key doon, hindi yung last shot ni Tugade. The fact that Olsen Rosella had a difficult time inbounding the ball.
Yes.
That kind of defense of Barangay Ginebra spelled the difference. Kaya nung nakahawak ng bola, si Lodi Tugade deep in the far corner to take the 3-point shot. Haras na sila eh.
Lahat ng options sila nawala, no? So yun lang ang nabuksan, which is the left side. They covered the pass to the middle, which is the better option.
But I'd like to find out from you two, no? For most of the game, San Miguel was leading. They led by as many as 16 points. How did Barangay Ginebra manage to come back?
I thought a lot of it was because of their tough defense. Yung kanilang full court press, created turnovers para sa kanila. Tapos yung energy level nila, no, was simply fantastic. Nakita natin yung energy level na pinigay ni JJ, ni Rudy Hatfield. Tapos, I thought that San Miguel was reacting to a lot of the plays ng Ginebra rather than San Miguel trying to establish yung kanilang game. Nawala si Danny Siegel ng a lot of minutes. Tapos si Dorian Peña, halos hindi na naglaro ng second half.
Ito yung last play nung 2.9 seconds to go. No? Lodi Tugade was able to put a shot, get a shot off, pero hindi pumasok. Coach Tommy, your assessment?
Well, I think Chot Reyes thought he had the game won, no? After the first half.
Yeah.
So that's why he was having the luxury of keeping Danny Siegel for a long time and allowed Ginebra to come back, no? But what happens when Ginebra comes back, the crowd comes into the play.
Yeah.
And Hildebrand just took over the game again with Kagiwa seeking the crucial shot. But at the end of the day, it was the defense of Ginebra, the hustling defense of Ginebra that did not allow San Miguel to execute. No?
That's right. Ang nagagawa nila in the early goings of the
That's right.
game,
That's
yung
right.
kanilang low post play, yung kanilang inside game, pagkatapos bumalik nga itong Barangay Ginebra. Yan po ang ating final score in the series and in the conference, 96-94. Barangay Ginebra winning by the skin of their teeth. At syempre, habang nanonood po kayo nung just in a short while, ay magkakaroon na po tayo ng mga awarding ceremonies. Mark Kagiwa, Ronald Tubid. Kita po ninyo ang kaligayahan sa mga mukha ng ating mga Barangay Ginebra players at ng fans. Siyempre, sigaw ng bayan at ng Recbicon 40 para sa Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings at San Miguel Beermen. Kaya niyo yan at kinaya nga po ng Barangay Ginebra to win 4 straight. Apat na sunod-sunod na laro. Johnny Abarientos and Coach Shot Tankinsen there. At this was also a great game. Quality minutes binigay ni Johnny Abarientos para sa Barangay Ginebra tonight.
Well, total team effort on the part of Barangay Ginebra, no? Getting the job done on defense, tapos in offense, nakita natin sa first half, kontrolado ng San Miguel yung tempo ng laro, no? They were playing slow down and deliberate.